Hello you guys. Today I will be doing a video on the USC colors for the South Carolina University Gamecocks. So that color is garnet. I do not have garnet, so I'm going to use red, black, and white. So I wanted to try it with a lighter base. And this bottle is no good. So I'm going to try to just open it. Kind of messed up, so. Okay. So I'm going to try to spread that. Already messing up. Already dropping things. Luckily, that was closed. So the next color we're going to use because, yes. So the next color we're going to use is the red. I do not have much of this red. I do need to make some more. So hopefully it's enough. I think that's enough. Whoa. I thought that cell activator was all gone, but a lot of it came out. I really think it's too much paint on there. We're about to see. So I normally use the blow dryer. I'm going to try to do it with just blowing. So I feel like the paint is more on this side. Let's give it a try. Kind of looks like a flower. I'm not for sure about that one. I'm going to do something that I normally have never done. I'm going to try to put this white cell activator. Well, before I do that, let's put a little bit of red right here where it's so black. I'm going to try to put some white cell activator. Hey, this is an experiment. I've never done this. Let's see. I think I might have messed up my torch trying to clean it earlier with that alcohol. That did nothing. Let's try it again. Glad I caught that. I'm gonna just scrape it. So I wanted to try to keep this, but now I can't keep it because it's just falling off of there. So I scraped it, and now I want to try different backgrounds. So I didn't have enough red mixed up, so I tried to put just the actual paint on there itself. Don't know if that's gonna work, but we're about to find out. So we got the white. I'm sorry, we got the red. I've gotten confused now. Red. I'm gonna do black. Okay, so that's my black cell activator. I have to get my black. And then with the white cell activator. That's not it. See that big bubble? And the white almost got it. You see, I got smart. Put on my gloves because I had my hands all messed up. And I had to get them cleaned. Let's see what we turn up with, guys. It's probably going to be a hot mess. Let's see what happens. If this is even going to spread, because like I said, it's not that much paint. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. You know what happened with that? Look at that. Look at me. Paint. I'm in the paint, you guys. That's another reason why I use a blow dryer, because usually I end up getting in the paint and causing a big disaster. So, of course, I want to know what you guys think. I personally like the white background better. And I should have kept it. I can always redo it again. Just keep redoing it. That didn't work. I say no. Okay. Maybe third time's a charm, guys. Don't look like working out that well for me. Let's see. I changed that to that little bit of French wine that I have, because that's more like a garnet. And then the black cell activator. Oh, let's see what we come up with. Okay, let's try to turn it. Hopefully some of the black breaks up. First one that I did end up being the best. Okay, it's official. It's just not my night. It's official. I hate it. Looking more and more like a flower. Kept the first one, but this one just looked like all the colors, all the colors blended in together. I just don't know. It's okay. I kind of like how the colors blended in together, and I just hit the corner. Wow. I'm just not having a good night, you guys. Ah. I'm going to let it stay. So let me bring you down so you can see. I should have kept the first one. First one I like, I just couldn't get it right. But that was the one that I really liked. So after all the back and forth, this is what I ended up with. Tell me what you think, you guys. My favorite was number 1. I definitely did not like number 2. And this one is okay. The colors blended, and that's kind of nice. But it's not what I wanted, but I'm going to keep that one. I hope I made your day with all these mistakes that I made and all the problems that I had, all the laughs. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit the bell so that you receive the notification when new videos come out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Until the next time, you guys.